Yes, I was calling because I needed to have a battery installed and was wondering if you all do that.
Okay. Now, what's the problem with your car that you had to change the battery?
Well, I tried to start it up, it wouldn't start, and I'm thinking because the lights were left on,
Okay.
because it was a new battery. I just got it last
Okay.
October, and it was new.
You get somebody to give you a jump start. Okay. If your battery's used, you have to replace it. Yes.
Okay.
Give somebody okay. Again, now what kind of car do you have?
It's a
CarHelpOut.com. It's the
350
convenience.
Super Duty bus.
Passenger bus. Oh, okay. Yeah, so it's a diesel. There's
No, it's
batteries.
fuel. It takes fuel.
Oh, it takes fuel. Okay, so then it's just a single battery. It's a big battery. That's all.
Yes.
But it's got that what's that, GM Ford or what?
It's a Ford.
Okay. That's that big summer gun. Okay. Honey. If you what you do is you can get a car, any car, your own personal car. You just sit there and just let the the jumper cable sit on there for about 15 minutes, 20 minutes. Just let it sit there and just.
CarHelpOut.com. It's the convenience.
Do not try starting the truck until after 15 minutes, and it'll start up and your car will go. Okay. There's no reason for you to get a new battery. Okay.
Okay.
And
Thank you so much.
I would have to charge you dearly for something that you really don't need. Okay.
Well, I certainly appreciate that. I'm going to try that, and if that doesn't work, then I'll contact you back. But I'm thinking that should work.
Okay. Well, in fact, I know it will work. You can use any car jump starter. Get a good set of jumper cables, okay, and just let it sit there. Do not any
CarHelpOut.com.
Make sure the
it's the
power is
convenience.
off. That includes the ignition. Okay. Make sure all that's off. Put your cables in and let them sit there for 15, 20 minutes, and just let it idle. Okay, and it will start. Okay. I promise you.
Okay, well, I sure do appreciate that. Thank you so much.
It's not a problem, ma'am. You have a good day.
You too.
Remember, if you don't feel like doing it yourself, you can always call a mobile mechanic specialist that will come to any location convenient for you. We can help you get back on the road again by putting their knowledge and years of experience to work for you. CarHelpOut.com/location for a local mobile mechanic car repair service near you. And we do pre-purchase inspections on used car buying at any location. CarHelpOut.com. It's the convenience.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, like, comment, and share this video.